Guys, this is Uzefa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. First of all, I am so much grateful that people are now being connected to our channel, and it is really great when someone comments on our videos that they are inspired and that the video means something to them and that they can change their life by just watching our videos. I am so much grateful. Now yesterday I was trying to make one of the video on short film, but I don't know somehow I will not be able to connect this audio section. So again I repeat that thing. I am now making a short film. There are two kind of short film which I am making currently. And if you are having any idea or any script or any storytelling thing, then you can mention in my email. You can send me the script. You can send me your story. So I am sharing two of my short film stories which I will be making through the smartphone only by using this mic only. And in addition to that, I will also be making a documentary on my grandfather who is 91 years old and still he is healthy, still he is having amazing life, still he is able to do all the daily activities and perform all the tasks in a great way. So I will be making the documentary on him on this smartphone with this mic only, right? And that will be a whole collection of his life from the beginning, from the birth till now. His present age is 91 years, and I will be converting that documentary into a book, and the book name will be The Story of My Grandfather. So I would highly encourage you to get this or to purchase this or just to have a look on my short film. I will be posting that on this channel only. So regarding other two short films which I am talking, the first one is named Sticker. Now let me give you a glimpse or just outline what it will be. Now the story is such that a person who goes for jogging every day in a garden, and what he finds some day is unusual. He finds that some sticker is being hanged on a tree, and along with that a pen was there, and on that sticker it is written that I am looking for life partner like you. So that person was shocked and amazed, and he was so curious to know more. Who is this person? Why this has been written? These are some of the questions appear in his mind. So what he does, in return, he writes again a sticky note from his side and tells that what kind of life partner you are looking for. And the next day he got a reply, I am looking a life partner like you. Then again the person asked the next question, do you know me? In that way several conversations take place between the unknown person and the person who goes for jogging in a garden each and every day. After a series of conversations, they finally decide that it's time to meet. The boy was so much curious, and the boy finds that he is in love with that unknown person. So they decided to meet one day at a particular time. Now when they both meet, what happens next? This will be the story which you can tell me. What could be the climax? What could be the ending? What could be the inspiration, motivation? You can post me on my email, which I will be mentioning in the link. You can send me the complete story if you know, or if you want to get if you want to get involved, you can send your story and complete that. The next story I am talking about is likes. Now, as you can see, right now social media is so much powerful, and everyone wants to be famous, influencer, a great like, great comment. Everyone wants appreciation on social media, whether it is Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, any damn social media. But what cost in order to get that fame? What is the cost one needs to pay in order to get that fame, glory, recognition? That's the story about. Now what happens that there was a guy who continuously posts on social media each and every day, but still he is not getting that likes, that attention, that fame, that what you can say, that one-to-one touch, that communication what he is looking for. So he tries to do different things, and one day he tries to think out of box, and he actually is now in the form of girl. He changes his appearance and thinks that let me try this way, but still he's not getting that attention and likes. So lastly what he decides that let me do something out of the way. So he hangs himself and thinks that when he will be getting that attention, that comments, he will be getting rid of the rope and will get rid of the rope and will jump from the stool. That was the idea. But what happens when he tries to do that, perform that task of suicide? He was so much into that likes, he receives likes, comments, gestures and all that. People are getting, he is getting that attention, and in that happiness and excitement he forgets to remove the rope from his neck and he hangs himself, and the death of the person happens. So this is the next story, which is likes, fame, glory, attention, what it takes, right? Nothing comes without a cost, right? So these were some of my short film which I am looking forward, and I will be making this in the coming days, right? So I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this video, do hit the like button. It will help my video to reach more people. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multi-dimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.